Miang is a snack food that originated in the northern part of Thailand, originally using pickled tea leaves, called Miang in the northern Thai language. The dish is mentioned in Epic of the Verse of Foods, a book written by the King Rama II. In Thailand, Miang is usually eaten with family and friends. It is also popular in the Central Region of Thailand. This dish is mostly eaten during the raining season, for it is then that phlu leaves are abundantly available, as it grows new leaves and shoots. Before wrapping, the filled leaves are topped with palm syrup or sugarcane syrup, which often has been cooked with lemongrass, galangal, ginger and fish sauce. Is a traditional Southeast Asian snack from Thailand and Laos. It was introduced to the Siamese court of King Rama V by Princess Dara Rasmi. Miang mostly consists of raw fresh Piper sarmentosum phlu or Erythrina fusca thonglang leaves that are filled with roasted coconut shavings and the following main ingredients chopped or cut into small pieces.